Due to coronavirus situation, we are locked up in our homes, and once the lockdown will be lifted and economic activities restart, most of us have a fear that we will lose our job or our existing business will take a hit. In this tutorial, we will discuss what work or business can be done by you during or after the lockdown. We do not promise that the ideas in this tutorial will make you a billionaire, but surely all of them will help you earn some quick money. Sell online groceries. People are in need of vegetables, fruits and groceries getting delivered to them at their homes. You can tie up with your local vendors and start online selling of food and grocery items in your area. Online wholesale of medical equipment. Masks, sanitizers and general medicines are needed for every single individual on our planet. Considering the demand for medical equipment and your capacity to sell, you can target your local market or even operate in a larger area. Online teaching. People want to learn new skills and techniques in this lockdown period. A simple Google search will give you a list of websites where you can teach your skills and share your knowledge on a particular subject and earn money sitting at home. Cleaning services. Some offices, companies and factories have resumed work with limited workforce. You can offer them cleaning services which will include full cleaning and sanitization of their offices. You can give them different packages like full office cleaning every week for 1 month or full office cleaning every 10 days for 3 months. Work tracking system. Develop a system or a software which can track productivity of employees for work from home by either tracking how much work is done or by tracking screen time. Drop shipping. Study and survey your local market and find out 1 or 2 products which are in high demand. Take orders from clients and forward their orders and shipment details to manufacturers or wholesalers or other retailers who can ship directly to your clients. By doing so, you can earn good commission. Online ad campaigns for small and medium companies. After the coronavirus situation is over, many companies will likely move to online marketing since it will be better than letting their employees do field work or market door to door. You can help such companies by providing services like online marketing, setting up websites and apps for them, doing search engine optimization for their ads and website, and taking charge of the digital marketing campaigns. You can even start a digital agency and help businesses to set up online shops and establish online presence. Ghost kitchen. People will be reluctant to go out for lunch or dinner once normal life is resumed. Ghost kitchen is a concept where only food delivery will be provided and food will not be served at the restaurant. If you advertise it properly, then not only will you get a lot of customers, but in the long run, you will be saving on operating cost, rent and salaries of your waiters. Make website for your city or region where people can teach online. Many people will continue online learning even after the lockdown is lifted. You can make a website where people from your city or region can come and teach other people. Gradually, you can scale it up to serve a larger area. Help companies to set up offices at homes of employees. In order to save on operating cost and rent, organizations are looking at the possibility of letting a major percentage of their employees work from home even after lockdown ends. Providing secure and reliable software and hardware setup to employees in their homes can be a big business in the future.